If you're looking for quality, trustworthy and affordable car repair services in your area, you're in the right place. Whether you need windows or brakes repairing, you'll find an expert to trust on this customer-facing platform. The newly expanded Canadian Auto Repair Marketplace offers an all-in-one dashboard for mechanics, auto repair centers and bodywork. The businesses themselves can reach a wider audience, while as a driver you have a simplified repair process. AutoFix Body knows that the car repair process can be time-consuming and difficult for drivers throughout New Brunswick. The newly expanded platform has been created to ensure you have access to information and reviews on the best local car repair specialists. You can search for the best local garage to provide suspension repair and maintenance, heating and air conditioning work, and more. Check out the link in the description for more info.